Today we're talking about pendular action. Pendular action, the tendency of the helicopter to oscillate like a pendulum. Up here we have a little bit of an example of that diagram. It's from a suspended point. Here you can see Darren right here as he was swinging the helicopter around. And it's the pendulum-like action that takes place in the helicopter where, new students, they have the tendency to overcorrect and over-control, and therefore the helicopter can oscillate around kind of like that pendulum.